Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the amazing world of sleep, but not just your average sweet dreams kind of sleep. We're talking about the superhero power of sleep, its ability to heal, recharge, and optimize your entire body. Think of sleep as your body's personal repair shop. While you're catching those z's, incredible things are happening behind the scenes. Your cells are busy little construction workers, fixing up any damage from the day. They're patching up tissues, strengthening muscles, and even boosting your immune system by producing superhero molecules called cytokines. These guys fight off inflammation and infection, keeping you healthy and ready to tackle anything. But wait, there's more. Sleep isn't just about physical repair, it's also essential for your mental well-being. Ever notice how much sharper you feel after a good night's rest? That's because during sleep, your brain is consolidating memories, filing away all the information you learned throughout the day. Imagine your brain as a giant filing cabinet. During sleep, it organizes those memories, making them easier to access and remember. Not only that, but sleep also regulates your mood. When you're sleep-deprived, your brain struggles to manage hormones like cortisol, which can lead to feelings of stress, anxiety, and even irritability. So, a good night's sleep isn't just about feeling well-rested, it's about feeling happy and positive too. By now, you're probably convinced that sleep is pretty darn important, right? It is. So how can you unlock the power of sleep and maximize its benefits? Here are some quick tips. Asterisk. Set a sleep schedule and stick to it. Even on weekends, going to bed and waking up at consistent times helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Asterisk. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Take a warm bath, read a book, or do some light stretches to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Asterisk. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary. Keep it dark, cool, and quiet. The perfect environment for drifting off to dreamland. By prioritizing sleep, you're investing in your overall health and well-being. You'll have more energy, a sharper mind, a stronger body, and a happier outlook on life. So what are you waiting for? Sweet dreams and good night. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on health and wellness. And if you have any sleep tips of your own, share them in the comments below.